I bought this food called the elastic food. It looks unusual and according to the reviews it seems like a mystery to many. People say there are no instructions on how to use this food, which piqued my curiosity, so I bought it too. Well, I didn't get any instructions either, but I figured out how to use it. So let me show you. Hi, I'm Olga from hberry.com. Welcome to my channel all about sewing, embroidery and quilting. First of all, the foot has a part that can be turned with a screw. This is the essential part because it's what makes the elastic gather. It's supposed to create friction to pre-stretch the elastic. If the angle is smaller, you will get less gathering. If the angle is bigger, you will get more. It can take a bit of practice to get the tension adjusted just right, and it will vary depending on the different weights of elastic. The foot is standard for modern machines. It's a snap-on foot. This means it's designed to be easily attached to a sewing machine without the need for additional tools. It's made for low shank snap-on domestic machines, so it covers many models from brands like Brothers, Singer, Janome. It isn't compatible with industrial or mini sewing machines or older models that don't support snap-on fit. I used it on my Janome 6600 with no problem at all. Now take the fabric you want to sew the elastic onto. I decided to make 3 easy skirts for my 11-inch doll. I used 3 different fabrics for these demonstrations. This quilting cotton and also rayon knit fabric. The type is called interlock knit, and polyester organza. Choose also a piece of elastic. I used 3 different types, but they all were 3/8 of an inch because that's what I had. But you can choose elastic up to 1/2 inch as well. Alright, so you might have noticed something a little quiet about this video. No sound of the tools, no hum of the sewing machine, and you are probably wondering, did she forget to record the audio? Well, the truth is my trusty sewing companions have decided that the best spot in the whole house is right under the sewing machine table. It turns out they are quite the vocal supporters of my sewing adventures. So, to spare you all from a symphony of canine commentary, I decided to hit the mute button on the sound. Just imagine the usual sewing machine soundtrack, with an added layer of doggy duet in the background. Place the fabric under the presser foot, unscrew the screw, and turn the part of the foot to some angle. Then fix the screw so the part stays in this position. Insert the elastic into the guide slots of the foot. Put it under the foot first, then go to this slot, then this slot. Make sure the elastic is fed through the foot's guides. Let me show you closely how to insert elastic. The last one is here. So elastic ends up on the right side of the foot. I position the foot 1/2 inch from the fabric edge, so the skirt will have small ruffles on the waistband. And now just so. I start with low speed, but after a few stitches I can go faster. Now I have finished sewing. Cut the threads and examine your fabric. You can see how many gathers I have created using this elastic foot. In my case, the fabric stretched evenly. It's a handy tool once you get the hang of it, and it really opens up new possibilities for your sewing projects. This is the first skirt I made using the elastic foot. The skirt was done so quickly with this foot. 5 minutes and it's done. Next, I am going to use knit fabric and different elastic. This one is very lightweight, and for knit fabric it's the best. I want to make less gathers with this fabric, so I make the angle of this attachment a bit smaller. And this is the skirt. And I also tried the elastic foot to sew organza. The elastic I had was also 3/8 of an inch. I didn't have any problems attaching elastic to this piece of organza fabric. So I hope the elastic presser foot won't be a mystery for you any longer. It's an interesting tool that can help you create beautifully gathered fabrics with ease. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more sewing tips and tutorials.